Nonprofits are entering a new digital era. This video explains how ZenDonor helps organizations manage donations, donors, and fundraising efficiency in 2026. Today's donors expect fast, transparent, and convenient giving. Manual methods like Excel and paper records can't meet modern fundraising expectations. Donation management software centralizes donor data, tracks contributions, automates receipts, and generates reports, keeping everything in one secure platform. NGOs use donation software to reduce errors, speed up workflows, improve donor experience, and scale fundraising without increasing administrative stress. Any organization that relies on donations, NGOs, religious institutions, schools, hospitals, or community groups, benefit from structured digital tracking. Excel struggles as donor bases grow. It lacks automation, integrations, security control, and real time reporting, leading to errors and inefficiency. Modern donation software should include a donor CRM, digital payments, automated receipts, analytics, integrations, and strong data security. Donation software saves time, increases recurring giving, strengthens donor relationships, and improves transparency for funders and auditors. Organizations choose ZenDonor because it's simple, scalable, non-profit focused, and designed to automate the complete donation lifecycle. With modern tools, migrating from Excel is fast and manageable. Digital donation management is essential for sustainable fundraising in 2026.